Hello everyone, I am Navneet Rathod, Area Sales Manager of Trueview, the brand of Warner's Electronics India Private Limited. So today in this video, I am going to show you the smart interactive touch panels, its features and how it is useful in our life. Okay, so currently we have a 75-inch smart interactive touch panel. It's a toughened glass, anti-glare with Android 9. So the use of panel is in such a way it can be used for displaying the things which we used to do earlier in the projector technology, and along with that it has a power of Android 9 and you can switch to the Windows as well. So currently the panel which you are seeing here, we have a file manager. I'll use the stylus. Here we have a file manager where you can save your local files and you can also insert the pen drive and you can access the files from here. So you can just select the files which you want. Along with that, we have given one whiteboard inbuilt software for your usage. You can change the board color just by going through the settings and you can change the board color. You can also change the pen color you want with the size as well. There are some easy figures which you can draw. It is easy to rub as well. You just need to rub with your palm. Now if I just select, I can just move anywhere on the screen. It has 20 touch on Android and 10 touch on Windows. This is the central console menu. Whenever you place 5 fingers on the screen, you will get the menu bar here. So once you get the menu, you can directly go to the home. You can add up the new page or you can start annotations on this page itself. You can directly start writing. I'll just change the pen color and I will start writing. You can even save this file with the help of the QR code. You can push to the mobile phones just by scanning the QR code over here. While exiting, it will ask you whether you want to save the annotated file in the form of pics or the PDF. We also have screencast available where you can cast 4 devices at a time. So currently, I will just demonstrate how I will be connecting a laptop to the device. So here you can see that I have a laptop. I have downloaded the app called Transcreen. I will allow this app to run. Here you will see the SSID which is mentioned on the smart interactive touch panel has appeared here. So I will just, now you can see that I have connected my PC with the screen. Now I can keep my PC at one place and I can easily access the file which I want from the panel itself. So this is the beauty of smart interactive touch panel. Earlier in the projector technology, we need to move towards the source to change the file or to access the file which is need to be projected. But with this, you can easily move to the files. Here you can see that I have just accessed the Chrome, or if I want to access the PPT, I can just use the PPT which I want. I can access all the files which are there on my computer easily. I can even use to sit at one place and work on the screen. So this way also you can get the access of the files. Now there is one heart diagram. If I want to explain the heart diagram, I can easily access, or I can easily explain. I just need to put my fingers, I will start my annotation. Once my annotation is started, I will directly start explaining the diagrams. So likewise you can use the tools which you want easily and can connect multiple devices to the screen. Along with this, the Smart Interactive Panel has the power of Play Store, Active Play Store. So here you will get the apps from the Play Store which you can easily download and can use the app easily. Apart from this, if I click here, it will show me the multiple devices which I have opened and I can use them accordingly. With one click you can switch to OPS. Along with this, there is smart settings given for connecting of LAN, general settings for your wallpaper, theme, gesture. For example, as a teacher, if I want children to focus on me, I will just place two fingers, the screen is silent and now I can speak. If I just place my two fingers, again the screen will wake up, I can use this. I can detect, I can use the peripherals, the different peripherals, and I can show that. I can switch among the sources which are there. I can access the USB, or I can deny the USB access through the settings. Apart from that, there is pattern lock is given, vision protection is given. So a lot of features are there which you can easily enjoy. You can easily switch among the OPS and Android as well. With the Smart Interactive Panel, we also give an online trainings and the support. So for more contact, please do contact and visit our website trueveiw.co.in. Thank you.